Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you check your hotspot password in your Samsung phone. Guys, you want to check your hotspot password in your Samsung phone. So as you can check, and guys now let's see how to check hotspot password in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So guys now let's see how to check hotspot password. So friend, first of all swipe up your phone and guys click on your phone setting. Then guys you can see guys this type of settings. So guys what will you have to do guys to check your hotspot password? So guys first setting guys you can see your connection setting. So guys tap here. Then guys you can see guys your mobile hotspot settings. So guys tap here. Again guys click on mobile hotspot setting, and guys you can see guys in configure. So guys tap here. Then guys you can check your hotspot password from here, and guys you want to change it. So guys you can change from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to check hotspot password in a Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.